Are you looking for the top 5 best automatic watches under $1,000? Everyone thinks the best-selling automatic watches are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Invicta Pro Diver. First up is the Invicta Men's 5033 Pro Diver Collection automatic watch, priced at just $91.25. What caught my eye right away was its sleek design and impressive water resistance of up to 660 feet. If you want an affordable yet stylish watch that makes a statement, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this watch might solve your problem. The NH35A Japanese automatic movement ensures accurate timekeeping without the hassle of batteries. Plus, the luminous hands means you can tell time even in low light, which is great if you're out at night or diving. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this watch. Now, some people complained about its weight, which is around 155 grams. Here's the thing though, while it may feel a bit heavy for some, many wearers appreciate that solid, premium feel it gives. It's a robust watch, and that weight adds to the overall durability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish watch that can handle an active lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter or more minimalist. Honestly, for the price, you're getting great value. Product number 2, the Unamela Watch Winder. Next is the Unamela Automatic Single Watch Winder, which you can grab for just $24.99. I was surprised by how sleek this watch winder looks with its carbon fiber leather construction. If you own automatic watches and want to keep them wound without hassle, this might be exactly what you need. This watch winder features a Japanese ultra-quiet motor, meaning you can use it overnight without any annoying noise. The anti-magnetic design also protects your watch movement, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy. Plus, it has a dual power supply, so you can use it at home or on the go. The preset rotation cycle helps maintain your watch's winding while avoiding unnecessary wear. However, one downside some users have noted is that it might not be compatible with larger watch sizes. But if you have standard-sized watches, this shouldn't be an issue at all. Plus, it's so affordable that it's worth trying out. This is perfect for you if you're a watch lover who wants to keep your collection in top condition. Skip this if you have oversized watches that won't. Product number 3, Forcing Retro Mechanical Watch. Coming in at number 3 is the Forcing Square Retro Mechanical Watch, which you can snag for only $43.99. I instantly loved its unique skeleton design that really stands out. If you're looking for a timepiece that combines style and function, this one is definitely worth considering. The mechanical movement means you don't have to worry about changing batteries, but it does require manual winding. You'll want to wind it 15 to 20 times to keep it ticking accurately. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it during light swimming or showering without worry. With over 400 units sold recently, it's gaining popularity fast. But let's be real, some people have mentioned that it can lose time if not wound regularly. Here's the deal though, if you're diligent about winding it, you shouldn't face any problems. This watch is all about that vintage charm and mechanical intricacy. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that sparks conversations. Skip this if you're not keen on manual winding. Product number 4, Seiko 5 Automatic Watch. At number 4, we have the Seiko 5 Automatic Black Eastern Arabic Dial Men's Watch, priced at $177.50. This watch caught my eye for its elegant design and high-quality materials. If you're in the market for a reliable automatic watch that balances style and performance, this one is a great choice. The stainless steel case and strap not only look good, but also offer durability. The automatic movement means it winds itself as you wear it, so you won't have to worry about changing batteries. Plus, the glow-in-the-dark feature ensures you can read the time in any lighting. With a water resistance of 50 meters, it stands up to daily wear without a hitch. However, some users have mentioned that the size might be a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Honestly, if you prefer a more compact watch, this might not be your best option, but if you like a presence on your wrist, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a classic, sophisticated watch that's also functional. Skip this if you have a slimmer wrist and prefer a more lightweight feel. For the quality and brand reputation, it's worth the investment. Product number 5. Forsening Skeleton Dial Watch. Finally, we have the Forsening Men's Automatic Watch with Skeleton Dial, priced at $59.99. The vintage appeal of its design really captivated me. If you're looking for an eye-catching watch that tells time with character, this is definitely one to check out. Like its counterpart, this watch has a mechanical movement, which means you won't have to deal with batteries. It's also water resistant up to 30 meters, so light splashes won't be a problem. The luxurious look and feel make it a perfect gift for any occasion, and with over 100 units sold recently, it's clear people are loving it. One flaw some reviews pointed out is that the watch can stop running if not worn for a while, but honestly, with the beauty and craftsmanship it offers, many still find it worthwhile to wind it up every now and then. It's a unique timepiece that makes a statement. This is perfect for you if you appreciate vintage style and craftsmanship. Skip this if you need a watch that can go for weeks without movement. So there you have it, 5 fantastic automatic watches under $1,000. From the robust Invicta Pro Diver to the stylish Forsening Skeleton, each offers something unique. Whether you're seeking reliability, elegance, or a touch of vintage charm, you can't go wrong with any of these options. Happy watch hunting!